2 months of FBI digging has led a grand jury to indict a current Beaumont School District employee and a former Beaumont School District employee. The school board fired Sharika Allison, now the district's former controller, in December.
Now in November, they voted to move forward with the termination process of Wayne McCraney, the district's finance director. He appealed that decision. KFDM's Justin Hinton joins us live now in studio with what he learned with today's indictment. Justin?
Yes, earlier today, U.S. Attorney Malcolm Bales discussed what a team of investigators discovered in their ongoing investigation into the district's funds, what they called a straightforward scheme that spanned 3 years, beginning in August of 2010, the month after Wayne McCraney was promoted to the finance director.
In layman's terms, Mr. McCraney and Ms. Allison are charged with concocting and carrying out an audacious scheme that's resulted in the theft and loss of over $4 million from BISD.
Part of an indictment released Wednesday afternoon accuses Wayne McCraney of causing 13 fraudulent wire transfers from BISD bank accounts to his own, totaling more than $2.5 million. Investigators say Sharika Allison, the district's former controller, got involved by creating a fake business with a similar company name the district does business with, to appear as though nothing was out of the ordinary.
Additional wire transfers were orchestrated by McCraney and Allison for the benefit of Milliman Consultants. And Allison, who controlled the bank account for that fake company, would then transfer about half of her ill-gotten gain back to McCraney.
Like this wire transfer, dated August 23, 2013. The indictment shows McCraney or Allison siphoning more than $378,000 away from BISD into an account she controlled. In all, investigators say more than $4 million over 4 years, nearly $1 million of which investigators have recovered.
McCraney and Allison are crooks, and so they're being held accountable. I think there's a failure in financial controls there, and I know we've talked about that with BISD. That's why they're cooperating. They're upset about it as well.
In a statement, BISD said the district has and will continue to fully cooperate with all agencies involved. Our primary objective is, and always has been, the educational achievement of our children. Bales says an arrest warrant will not be issued. He says his office has been in talks with both Allison and McCraney. They will be able to surrender at their court date, which has yet to be set. Prosecutors say if convicted, the two could face up to 10 years in prison. Live in the studio, Justin Hinton, 6 News Tonight.